Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today we are going to be unboxing and setting up this Deskjet 2632 printer by HP. Stick around. So guys, looking at the box now, this is the front. So it's the Deskjet 2632. It has a wireless, you can print, you can scan, you can copy, and it even comes with 3 months free trial of instant ink with HP. Turn it round, exactly the same on the back. On the side, you've got easy setup and print from your smartphone or tablet. 3 months HP instant ink included. Print, copy and scan, same as on the front. So let's get into this. So open it up now. Just cut the seal. So in the top, you get, push this back. Setup guide thing. You get a USB cable, power cable with a UK plug, one black ink cartridge, and one of the tri-colour ones. And also you get the HP instant ink booklet guide thing in all sorts of different languages. We take this bit of cardboard out. We now get to the printer just here, so I'll pull this out. That's all that's in the box. Okay, here's the printer. In the top you've got a detailed description and how to use it, setup guide, all of that. Let's take these foam bits off. It's a bit loud. And let's get into this. There we are. Rip this off. What does this say? Just something about the instant ink. Okay guys, so here's the printer itself. I've got it out of the package. I'll just move you closer. And there you are, so now you've got a better angle. This is the printer. So at the front you've got where your paper will come out, I'm guessing. You pull this down. Oh, there we are, so you pull that down, open this out. This is where the paper will come out. Got a load of blue tabs. And then in here, pull this off. So right in the back here, this is where you'll put your ink cartridges inside of there. So on top of it, you've got your scanning thing where you scan your stuff in to photocopy or to scan. Moving around onto the back, you've got a USB plug there and your power plug there. And the way that you pull the paper stand up is simply you pull this up and it leans itself backwards and it'll stay there, and this little flappy thing comes up. Push it over, and that's what it will look like for you. Okay guys, so I've just got the instructions out. The instructions really are insanely simple. There's only 3 steps. First step is to get rid of all the sticky tape and the cardboard, which I've already done. Second one, plug it in, which I'll do in a sec. Then head to their website. You need to scan this card here. You set it up on their website just here. It's just got all the instructions. So I'll plug it in, get my laptop out, and we'll get ready to set this up. Okay guys, so here is the website that it tells you to use. Just type in it's 123.hp.com, so it's not hard. And you're going to go to here, just type in your model number. So this is the 2632. Then you click down on this. I don't know how well you can see this, but and then all you gotta do is just click download to download the software. Easy as that. So I'll catch back with you when it's downloaded. So once you've downloaded the software and you've read the user agreement, you're going to want to press continue. But firstly, before you do that, you're going to want to plug your printer into your laptop using the included USB cable and turn it on. So I'll just do that. Plugged it in. I'm going to press continue now, and hopefully it will find my printer. Yeah, there we are. There we are. It's this one. Click on that, and then it will search for the software, and then hopefully we'll be able to download the software, and this printer will be up and running. Once it's found all the software that is available for your model of printer, you can decide whether you want to download the full software and the drivers, or just the drivers. So today I'm just going to be downloading the drivers, because I don't really care about the software. Press continue, and it'll start downloading my drivers. So it's now downloaded, so now you're going to get this little window that pops up and says that you've been installing it using the USB connection, which is what we've been doing. And now I'm going to add a wireless connection. So I'm going to put yes, I would like to. Continue. And then hopefully something else will pop up. Yeah, there we are. Yes, allow the computer or router. Next. Okay, so it's found the Wi-Fi that my laptop is connected to. It's already got the password. I want to connect and store them on my laptop. Press next. And now it'll connect the printer to the network, so I can print from the network completely wirelessly. So I can move this printer wherever I want, and I won't have to put the USB cable in or an Ethernet cable in, and it'll be on the Wi-Fi. So it's now connected the printer to my Wi-Fi, and to come up with this, how will you primarily use this device? So I'm going to put in a home, please specify, for personal use. I'm going to put my postcode in, and then I will press next. So I'll catch you in a minute with to put my postcode in. Okay guys, so I put my postcode in, and it's now configuring the web services. Once the web services have been initialized, a sheet will print out with more detailed instructions. So I think what I need to do now is put some paper into my printer. Now come up with this page that says install cartridges. So it's just telling you how to install them, which I'm about to show you anyway. So we'll move over to the printer and we'll install the ink cartridges. Okay guys, so I've now moved the printer back into shot. So to set up the ink cartridges, I'm just going to pull this down, then open this back bit here. And as you can see, these will move into the middle. So you want to take your ink cartridge. So this is the black one, it says it just here. You're going to open that up. This is the ink cartridge. So you just want to peel this off. It's the black one. So if you look on the bottom, it's got a purple one, you might not be able to see it. It's got a purple and a black. So you're going to put the black on the right hand side, push it in, just like that. Then you want to do the same with the tricolour one. So same again, pull this little tab off, and then you push it in, and you got to push a bit harder and it will clip in. Next, what you want to do, just close up this door, and then the ink cartridges will sort themselves out, and we'll carry on, move back over to the laptop, carry on with what it says. Okay then, so the laptop is now saying we need to load up some paper. So I'll just grab some paper out of my other printer. So we'll just use a few sheets to start with. And you just want to go to the back. And in the back is a little slidey hook. You want to push it all the way over to this end. Put the paper in. Then push this hook so it keeps the paper in nice and tight. Then on the laptop, you just want to press continue, and it says got to press continue again, and that is all the hardware all set up. Okay then, so that's it. The printer is now all set up. making some noises. So we'll just check that you can print from it. So over here, I just push the printer to the side. So here is my laptop. I'm going to unplug the USB cable, so that's not plugged in. And then just close this. So it's complete. Finish that. And then I'll just find a file and then we'll print that out. Okay then, so I've just made a piece of paper that says this is a test print. I'll go to print it. And then I will, comes up here, so HP Deskjet 2600 series. I'll press print. Now printing out my test piece of paper. There you are. So that is how to set up your HP Deskjet 2632. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and consider subscribing. Any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll also put a link to this printer in the comments if you want to check it out. That's all from me. See you next time.